Hello friends, welcome to the Chef's Touch. There is an Italian proverb, life is a combination of magic and pasta. So today, let's create some magic together in the form of pasta al pomodoro. So the first step to make our pasta al pomodoro is to cook pasta. For that, we need hot boiling water. I'm gonna add some oil. You can use olive oil and some salt to it. And then you have to make sure the water is boiling. Let it boil. So we have added our pasta to the hot boiling water. Another thing we need to make sure is the water quantity is enough. So on a standard 200 grams of pasta, you need at least 800 milliliters of a liter of water to make sure it's properly cooked. So this pasta, I was cooking it covered. Now it's almost ready. You can see it's been boiling for almost 7 minutes. I'm just gonna strain it and bring it back. So I've got my pasta strained up in this strainer. So to check if it's al dente, we just take a pasta, cut it, and then if you look closely in the middle, it's still a bit undercooked. So that's how your pasta should be. It should still have a bite when you eat it. That's al dente. That's how Italians prefer their pasta. So to make our pomodoro sauce, we have olive oil, half onion, 1 carrot, 4 cloves of garlic, some chopped peeled tomatoes, and basil. So now our oil is almost heated up. We're gonna add garlic and our vegetables, and we're gonna saute it for a couple of minutes. So now, as we have sauteed this for almost 2 minutes, you don't have to make them brown, especially the garlic. Keep it a little bit light brown color, and we're gonna add our tomatoes to it. And add your basil as well, same time. You can use the whole basil. And then we're gonna cover it and leave it to cook for at least 5 minutes. So now we have cooked this sauce for almost 6-7 minutes. You will see your vegetables are soft and there is a nice aroma of basil coming, and the texture of the tomato looks like it's been almost cooked. So we're gonna add at this stage some sugar and some salt as well. This is your taste. Sugar will help to balance the taste, the acidity of the tomatoes. So as you can see, the sauce is almost ready. We're gonna transfer it to our blender. One magic ingredient which will make our sauce a little bit rich, we're gonna add some butter to it. I'm adding here approximately 50 grams of butter. And then we're gonna blitz it again. So now this is our sauce ready here in the pan. I'm gonna cook one portion for now. You can keep the sauce in the fridge as well and freeze it as well. So this is our pasta and a little bit of olive oil. Again, to finish the dish, you mix it. We have to make sure the sauce goes inside the tubes, the pasta itself. And the final ingredient is Parmesan cheese. This is Italian hard cheese. It's really good and gives the pasta a really delicate and nutty flavor. this is our pasta. Garnish with some more Parmesan cheese if you like, and a sprig of basil. Enjoy.
Hello. Today that my dad has made his pasta, I will be trying it. So, who likes yummy pasta? Me! Let's try. Yummy, 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 yummy.